Yes. So now we have to look through the causes of poverty. So poverty, actually we cannot say that there is no poverty in a developed state. Okay. So poor people actually more exist in the developed countries. Okay. So it is not necessary that we eradicate all the poverty for being a developed country. In developed countries also poor people are there or poverty is there. So that is why I told you, you cannot eradicate poverty, you can only reduce poverty. So there are some causes of poverty, and it is divided as two heads, that is on the basis of underdevelopment as well as on the basis of distribution of income, unequal distribution of income. So that is like causes of poverty can be categorized into two. One is on the basis of underdeveloped country as well as unequal distribution of income. So first one, on the basis of underdevelopment of the country, that is low level of national income. That is, if the country is not producing more national income, the country can go or country can cause poverty, more poverty. Low rate of growth, that is stagnant rate of growth. That means the country is not showing any productive what you can say development in the over the years. Then also poverty can happen. Then heavy pressure of population, that is population explosion. As I told you, if population pressure is more in the economy cannot withstand the condition. So that is why again it is a cause of poverty. Then inflationary spiral, that is inflation. Inflation means price rise, general price rise. So that means poor people cannot afford the situation. So that means that also that makes them more poor. So again poverty is being created there. Then chronic unemployment and underemployment. Unemployment means you are ready to work for that wage rate, okay, existing wage rate, but you are not able to, you are ready to do a job but you are not able to find a job. That situation is called unemployment. So that means you are being unemployed for some time. Maybe you are what you can say, you are searching for another job, renovation purpose, the country like the company has been shut down, that particular time you are unemployed. So that particular, if unemployment is on an increase, you can say that poverty will also increase. So unemployment and poverty is a, what you can say, there is a relationship between that. Okay, unemployment and poverty. More unemployment means there is no productive thing happening in the country. So that means it increases poverty. Then capital deficiency, that means no capital is being induced in the economy. That means no capital, no technology, no innovation, nothing is happening in the economy. That also creates poverty. So that is lack of capital, lack of productive capacity, low level of employment and high level of poverty. That is how capital deficiency is connected to poverty. Then no efficient entrepreneurs, that means there are no better opportunities for doing business, outdated social institutions. Then there is the caste system. They can say they cannot do the job, he cannot do the job, like that, like so many caste systems, caste beliefs, what you can say religious beliefs, all such things constitutes to the outdated social institutions. Lack of infrastructure, if proper infrastructure is also not provided, there will be more poverty. That means health facilities, education facilities, economical infrastructures, that means dams, bridges, all such things, everything is related with poverty. If no proper infrastructure is given, there will be poverty. Then you have to look through the poverty with reference to unequal distribution of income, the next thing, the next part. So poverty in India is actually caused by the unequal distribution of income. So more efforts have been made by the government to control this poverty. See, actually if income is unequally distributed, we cannot actually change the distribution of income on a portion of, like in a fraction of second or fraction like in a short time. It needs more time. Okay, so that means despite of all these measures taken by the government, we actually face the poverty which is caused by the unequal distribution of income. So that means government is doing very like so many measures they have adopted to correct this thing. but still we are on an increase of poverty only. So that is the causes of poverty with reference to the underdeveloped country or and this thing. Poverty on the basis of unequal distribution of income. Then we have to look through the measures to remove poverty. That is actually how we tackle the problem of poverty. That is it. Okay, so that means that we will look in the next class. Maybe this is more than enough for today. So I want the paragraph today itself. That is the trend of poverty. The measures will be looking in the next class. Okay, so we'll continue in the next class. So poverty chapter we have to continue. And till here, I want you to take the notes as you do. You have to take the notes. And this paragraph, picture, diagram as well as the table I will be providing you. Okay. So see you in the next class. Take care.